Hello there. Struggling to pick the perfect knowledge management tool? Today we're breaking down Slite, Notion, and Obsidian in a quick comparison to help you decide which one's best for your needs. Let's dive in. First up, we have Slite. Slite is a streamlined, team-focused platform designed for collaborative documentation. It's got a clean interface, real-time editing, and AI-powered search to quickly find info across your tools. Perfect for teams needing a simple, centralized knowledge base. Next, we have Notion. Notion is the Swiss Army knife of productivity tools. It's cloud-based, offering note-taking, project management, databases, and team collaboration with customizable templates and integrations like Slack. It's ideal for both solo users and teams who love flexibility. Finally, we have Obsidian. Obsidian is a markdown-based offline-first note-taking app. It's built for personal knowledge management with a unique knowledge graph to connect ideas. It's highly customizable with plugins, making it a favorite for writers and researchers. So, how do they stack up? Let's compare. When it comes to ease of use, Slite's intuitive for teams, Notion has a learning curve, but it's beginner-friendly, and Obsidian's markdown can be tricky for newbies. When it comes to customization, Notion's highly customizable with templates and integrations, Obsidian offers plugins for flexibility, and Slite's simpler with less customization. Slite's best for team knowledge bases, Notion for all-in-one team and personal workflows, and Obsidian for solo thinkers and researchers. So, which one's best? If you're a team needing a simple knowledge hub, go with Slite. For versatile collaborative workflows, Notion's your pick. And for deep personal note-taking or research, Obsidian is the winner. Choose based on your needs. That's it, guys. Try them out and find your perfect fit. Thanks for watching.